Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove users on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, what you need to do is go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to monday.com or check out on our YouTube channel how you can actually go and do it. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home screen, my work and the favorites, and we have some of your boards here also. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how to remove users on monday.com. Well, it is pretty simple. What you need to do is, guys, when clicking on the workspace name, which as you can see, you have your workspace here, main one. Now, workspace owners can sell all team members who have joined the workspace in the members tab. By clicking on the X to the right of a member's name, they can then go and remove the team members accordingly to just keep the relevant people in the, of course, loop. So guys, it is pretty simple. As you can see, that's what you need to do. It's only just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.